how to change the Safari background on your iPhone. So if you want a custom background, it's very easy to do. So go to your Safari, make sure you don't have any tabs open or anything like that. It'll just make it more difficult to do. So go ahead to your Safari homepage here, and as you see, I don't have anything open. You just want to simply go to the edit button here. And from here, you want to go to where it says background image. So mine is turned off. You want to toggle this on. So you have some options here with some preloaded images from Apple itself. So what we can do is I'll just pick one here. Let's pick this panda over here. And you can come out of your page here and it automatically updates for you. So it makes it really easy to upload or change your pictures here. So if you want to upload one of your own images, what we can do is go ahead and hit edit, go down to that same area and hit the plus sign. And then from here, what we can do is we can scroll through and I'll just find some random photo here. Here you go. And it changes it automatically. There's no save button or done button, and you can go ahead and X out of this again. And now your Safari background has changed. And that's it. It's very simple to do. And if you want to go back and turn this off, go ahead and hit edit and just toggle that off. And then it automatically updates. And that's it. It's super easy and super simple.